Dat is nice. Ja, here, bro. So there's.
Whoa, sorry. Oh, there we go.
We're gonna try this. Everybody's getting ready. I'm gonna try. Why is it so zoomed in? I'm gonna try drink this Fanta. It's my brother's Fanta. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. So, today we have a couple things on the agenda. We want to go to Sea Paradise, which is all the way in Yokohama. Yokohama is a far train ride, especially for us, having to take care of Raiden, and he gets really impatient on the train. We're gonna make an attempt to drive there. Now, driving here in Japan is a bit more expensive because of all the tolls. However, we're gonna try to take the back roads to Yokohama. Then we're gonna visit an amusement park over there called Sea Paradise, which, you know, well, I hear it's a mixture of like sea/marine world and a mixture of maybe Six Flags, but it also has like aquarium-like amusements.
Underwater tunnel.
Ah, okay, an underwater tunnel. Jeez, I'm so bad at this. Anyways, I'm gonna stop describing it because I'm bad at describing things. If you want to check it out, visit their website. Other than that, I'm gonna show you in just a few minutes as soon as we get going. Well, at least we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna get going. Okay, bye. That's a toll right there. Okay, we made it through the toll. Now we're in the tunnel. Now we're gonna exit. We are here in Sea Paradise. We got our wristbands. We are ready to rock and roll. Time for some B-roll so you guys don't waste your time watching me talk nonsense of a place that I don't know anything about. And we'll just go from there, okay? Recap later. All right. So we're about 2 hours into Sea Paradise, and what I have to say is you actually don't need a ticket to get into this place. You can actually walk in and pay for the rides individually as you go. So my recommendation would not be to purchase the tickets individually, but it would be to buy a wristband so you can get on all the rides that you want as many times as you'd like. So they have a couple roller coasters. They have something very similar to the Paramount Great America Drop Zone in California. They have some similar rides here, plus an aquarium. So I've had a little bit to drink, okay, and they just keep buying beer, and I'm leave it at that. So this is some of the food that they got here, some of the snacks. These are crepes, 400 yen. Get some ice cream, some lattes, waffle ice cream, and most of it, I have to say, is quite affordable for an amusement park. But look at the line. Oh my goodness.
great!